Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Nissan Note of 2012. This vehicle has a problem with check engine on the dashboard. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. Right now I have a new gadget. It's a launcher type. Let me use this machine. So let's see. So here the main fault code is P0031, which is oxygen sensor 1 heater bank 1. So meaning there is a problem with the upper stream oxygen sensor. So let's go and confirm. This is the oxygen sensor socket. Before we remove the oxygen sensor, we need to check for ignition. So right now we have ignition, we have earth, so meaning the signals are okay. So the main culprit here is oxygen sensor. This is the oxygen sensor I'm talking about. According to the multimeter, the problem is oxygen sensor is below 2.8 amps. So I'm going to replace this. The old one, this is the new one. So I'm going to replace with the new oxygen sensor. So when you see the code P0031, the problem can be the oxygen sensor, the open circuit, then sometimes it's fuse. So you need to confirm everything before you conclude. So I have already replaced a new oxygen sensor. So I'm going back to clear fault code from the system. So right now I think we don't have any fault code on the system. Let me clean again. So right now we don't have any fault code. Let me start the vehicle. Right now I want to scan again. So the main problem was oxygen sensor in this vehicle. So right now we don't have any DTC on the ECU. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.